In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. We're going to build a basic budget worksheet that helps you track your income, total expenses, and the amount of money you have left after your monthly spending. This is a great starting point if you want an easy and practical way to manage your finances in Excel without creating anything too complicated. To begin, create the budget table in a blank Excel worksheet. Set up your layout clearly so it's easy to read and update later. In one column, enter the labels for your budget categories, and in the next column, enter the amounts. A simple structure works best here. For example, place your income near the top, then list your expense categories underneath it, followed by a total expenses row and a remaining balance row. Keeping the table organized from the beginning will make your formulas easier to enter and your budget much easier to maintain over time. Once the table is in place, the next step is to calculate your total expenses. Click in the cell where you want the total expenses amount to appear. Then type the formula equals sum open parenthesis B3 colon B8 close parenthesis. In Excel, that looks like equals sum, then B3 through B8 inside parentheses. This formula adds together all the values in that range, which represents your expense entries. After typing the formula, press enter, and Excel will automatically calculate the total for you. Make sure the expense amounts are entered as numbers so the formula works correctly. After that, calculate your remaining balance. Click in the cell for remaining balance and type equals B2 minus B9, then press enter. This subtracts your total expenses from your income. If everything is entered in the correct cells, Excel will instantly show you how much money remains after covering your monthly expenses. This is one of the most useful parts of the budget because it gives you a quick snapshot of whether you are staying within your means. And that's it. You've created a simple monthly budget in Microsoft Excel. Even with just a small table and two formulas, you now have a tool that can help you monitor spending and make better financial decisions each month. As you use it, double check your cell references to make sure the formulas point to the right rows, especially if you change the layout later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started with budgeting in Excel.